Hi, in this video we're going to be showing you how to put together this dining chair, so let's get into it. First thing that you want to do is lay down one of your legs with the holes facing up towards you, just like this. Another thing that you'll want to pay attention to is on these legs, there is one straight leg and one angled leg. Just pay attention to that so you can put everything together correctly. Next, we're going to go ahead and grab our seat. And on this seat, you'll notice that there's one side where the holes are straight, and on the other side they're angled. We're just going to put this angled side so that it's matching up with the angled side of the legs. We'll put these together, then we can go ahead and put in our bolts. Just make sure you put in your bolts finger tight until you have all 4 in, and then you can go ahead and tighten them completely. All right, and once we have those bolts all tightened, then we can go ahead and flip this over and attach it to the other leg. And then we can put in our bolts. Now that we have all those bolts tight, we're gonna go ahead and stand the legs up like this. And then we're gonna bring over the back of our chair. And then with the holes facing up towards you, we're gonna go ahead and put these together. With this, just make sure that you have these angled legs on the same side as the back curve of this piece here. And then we can go ahead and put in our bolts. Once again, just do them finger tight until you have all 4 in, and then you can tighten them completely. All right, once you have all of those bolts tightened completely, then you're all done. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new dining chair. For more guides, tips, and tricks, head on over to WEEZR14OS1.com.